Good afternoon, everybody. Man Steve here once again. It is Tuesday, May the 9th of 2023. This is a Spartus digital alarm clock that I just picked up today. I gave about $8 for it, and with me not having a digital alarm clock in the last 4 or 5 years, I saw this on the shelf and I couldn't help but pass it up. This one looks like it has some age to it. I have no idea exactly how old it is. This is the top of the clock, and here are the settings. Of course, it has a snoozer to it, and it even has an off and on switch to it. I think that could be because this has a battery reserve. And there is the battery compartment. It's empty, nothing in there. Let's see if we can read out the information tag. Has the operating instructions on setting the time and the alarm and whatnot. And there is the model number, 1108. And there is the power rating, typical 120 volts and 60 hertz. And this clock was made in China. Has a little sticker on it. I'm guessing maybe that could be something from the manufacturer, perhaps, if this phone will focus. Here is the power cord. Looks to be in good shape. The cord is not frayed or no exposed wiring or anything. Let's see if we can find some life in this. Let's see if this thing has some life to it. Okay, so let's plug this thing in and see if it works. Okay, great. Looks like the clock is working. Let's see if we can work on the adjustments here. Okay, so now I am adjusting the minute. Okay, so it looks like everything is working properly. Let's set the alarm. Let's see here. Let's put it on. Let's put it on 6:30. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and reset the time. Okay, so I have the alarm set for 6:30. Okay, so that position is for the alarm. Okay. Wait for about 40 more seconds. It's definitely bringing back some memories for me. Hopefully you can get a good listen to that. Okay, and so there's the snooze. I guess that's to hold it off for another 5 or 10 minutes before it goes off again. Well, it looks like this is working properly after all. Very happy to have this. This is really gonna come in handy for me. Glad that I finally have an alarm clock beside my bed again. So, well, there you go, everybody. I hope that you all have enjoyed this quick little show and tell of my new acquisition here, my Spartus digital alarm clock. Put in comments, of course, like, subscribe, and that'll do it for now. More videos to come soon, and out.